What's up guys, thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be reviewing the Andoer 4-port battery charger. This thing is great. Instead of using the generic chargers that you get with your batteries, like for example like this, sometimes they give this for free. And then it's a micro USB port, and it's pretty crappy. It gives you all kinds of readings, and sometimes it's not even fully charged or the battery can't contact. This is a great substitute. And this thing is great because you can also change the ports, the charging ports. Like this one is an NP-F. I have another one that's actually the LP6 batteries. And as long as you got to double check if they're compatible. If you look back here, the contacts, and then if you buy it on eBay, you can see like if they're identical or if they're even compatible. All you gotta do is just throw on here and then push it. And this is a great alternative if you're on a shoot and you need to charge your NP-F batteries. Again, these things will not cut it. They are slow charging and they're not reliable. This thing right here has a gauge, and you could actually see how many percentage the battery has. It also has this right here, USB port. I don't have this power cord, but I guess you could use this type. And then these common ones you can use as well. This is what it comes with. They are pretty pricey. They're not really cheap. There's little vents, because this thing does get pretty hot and has actually a fan on here. So you don't want to actually put this on a carpet or someplace where it's blocking this thing, because this thing will probably overheat. Has their little LCD right here. Let me show you this thing in action. Okay, as you can see right here, the light. You can see the LCD. Then let me go ahead and put a battery on there. Okay, another NP-F. See right here. Worth it, I'll get it. Give it a thumbs up. All right guys, peace.